Renjire mwaukiro kuma mwira akaunti ya Meru skuru ya Meru University niombete kwethe kichiurira ambulance ya kinande ambulance ira kuringana Professor Manazo Odhiambo no vice chancellor skuru awite kethire gitumika muno kirotetheria community.
Meru University of Science and Technology is a public university. And as a public university, we have a responsibility to our community, to our country, and to the whole world. One of the programs that we do is actually health-related programs. We do clinical medicine, we do nursing, we do public health, we do so many things, from the certificate up to PhD. But very importantly, these students who are enrolled in these programs also have to go outside there and do their clinical practices. They have to learn how the things they learn in managing patients and all the rest are done practically. And so we work very closely with our level 5, Meru level 5 hospitals and many other hospitals that we have.
Itiano koru Manazo Odhiambo wite skuru ya Meru University niombete kwethira kitharatara muno kiri mantu ya ugima mwiri kana utire kumba kwethira kinyanithia twara thirikari nene ria utiro mukanyotha kumba kwethira kiwatira ugima mwiri na probo kinyaniretie.
And I think why we have chosen to do this, like what we are having today, launching one of our state-of-the-art ambulance in this part of the country, probably compared to the ones that are in Nairobi Hospital, is basically to help the national government and to help the county government in health provision, in health management, in health support. We have not forgotten about the problems that we used to have when we had the COVID. The ventilation problems, people dying just because we are not able to have this facility to escort them.
So for an advanced life support ambulance, in summer I can say it's like an ICU, a moving ICU. Again.
Odhiambo Professor Manazo Odhiambo nombete kwethira kiromba kariba kaunti ya Meru kumba kwethira kiritanio utumira ambulance kaitana kaumba kwethira gichone ya mathina.
I'm very happy as the Vice Chancellor of Meru University the last 4.5 years that we are able to launch this, that will not only support my staff here, or not only support my students here, but we open this to all our community, because universities world over are also meant as instruments of supporting the community where they are domiciled in. And so that's what I can say. Very important thing. And when you note that from Nairobi up to the border Kenya, Somali, border Kenya, Ethiopia, border Kenya, this side, Southern Sudan, there is no facility like this. So
actually for us in the private sector, most of us, because we are still growing, we don't have the capacity to buy the ambulances. The ambulances you see with the most of the private hospitals are like the one which Dr. was saying here, basic one. When we have a patient who is in critical need of life support, and we would wish to transport him to a good hospital like Kenyatta Hospital, Nairobi Hospital, we don't usually have in ambulance to.
Kumatia ni betanda msimoturia wa dhirinja.